Hello and a very warm welcome back to Northwestern Models TV, and today I'm going to show you how to build the Great Western style water crane and Fire Devil kit in N gauge from Springside Models. So let's get started. So as with any of the Springside kits, they're made from white metal and it is very simple to get in them. So let's do that and see what parts we've got in here. So we've got a number of parts, and we have an instruction sheet as well, which is obviously going to be of use to us to put it together. And as you can hopefully see there, it looks a relatively simple set of instructions and kit to put together. So what have we got in the kit? Well, we've got the base plate, which has a right way up and a wrong way up, and the right way up has some surface detail on, which if I bring it in you might just be able to see there. So we've got like a grid on this side and another one there. So we've got those. We've got obviously the main water column itself. We've got the catching bucket for the excess water. We've got the handle to turn the column on and off, and we've also got the Fire Devil as well. Now, reading through the instructions, it says use a low melt solder or 2-part epoxy adhesive to assemble the parts. Just let them dry and carry on with that. It is very, very simple to do, and then it gives you some further painting instructions as well, which obviously I'll follow at a later date, as this will be one of our display models. So instead of using low melt solder or epoxy adhesive, we are just quite simply going to use the Rocket Rapid Glue from Deluxe Materials. Well, first of all, I'm just going to give the bottom ends of the components just a quick clean up with a file, just to get rid of any burrs or bits of flash and stuff like that, so that they all fit in to the relevant holes in the base plate nice and easy. So I'll get on with that and we're then ready to start assembling. Right, so all the parts are now cleaned up and ready to be assembled. Now I have just quickly tested them to make sure that they do go in the relevant holes, which I described on the instruction sheet, so you can sort of see how it's supposed to go together there. And they all fit where they're supposed to. Now, most people will probably go straight in and put the main column in first. I wouldn't do that, because it's then going to be a bit of a struggle to get the other components in underneath it. So I'm going to work from this end across one by one, fixing them in place. Now, as I said earlier, I'm going to use the Rocket Rapid Glue from Deluxe Materials. It's been perfectly ideal for the other white metal kits that we've assembled for this channel, and I'm just going to get on and just get it all assembled. So first of all, we've got the drain catcher, which catches the excess water from the water column, or we're supposed to at least. We then have the Fire Devil, and then we've actually got the handle which opens the valve. It's a bit awkward to get in, as the Fire Devil's right next to it, so let's use some tweezers to help me get that in place, like so. And then finally we've got the actual water column itself, which goes in there like so. And we might just have to hold on to that one by the looks of it, just while the glue goes off a little bit. But there we are, you can see it all lines up nice and simple, nice and together, and that has actually made a really nice little model. And as you can see, it's not taking very long to do at all. Just literally waiting for the glue to dry. And there we go. So let's try and zoom in so you can see it a little bit better. There we are. So there we are. That is that kit built. So there we go. That is how to build the Great Western style water column and fire devil kit in N-gauge from Springside models. And well, I hope that you've enjoyed this simple little how-to video, and if you have, do please give us a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button as well, so that way you won't miss our next video. We don't quite know what it will be next, but I'm sure it'll be really good and really interesting. So until next time, happy modelling.